Good.
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 How many people are on this call?
Good.
Ah,
Only 4.
49.
So why only one says good? Like it's just you know.
Doing well. Good.
I'm good, Abhishek.
I would voice it as excellent on behalf of everybody.
Yes, yesterday coming out of work, and my boss was saying happy weekend, enjoy your weekend. And I was like, today is Wednesday. She said, I'm not coming to work until Tuesday, so you can do whatever you need. Because I have to go to office. So that's how he was.
It's good.
It's fun. Today we have nothing to do. I just went at 11 o'clock to work, and we were drinking champagne until 6 because we got a drug approved. So that's work. We get paid to drink champagne right now.
Wow.
Anyway, champagne is not free. Some patients are paying for it somewhere.
That got approved. Oh,
Yes, the TDAC, which is tezolizumab, which is a biphasic
how is this? How is it spelled? Sorry.
TIVDAK.
TIVDAK.
TIVDAK, that's a trade name.
Yeah.
It's used for metastatic cervical cancer.
Oh, wow.
It's a first in line therapy for advanced metastatic. Yeah, cervical.
TIVDAK. Wow.
Yes. So it's a
Wow.
good product. We got it approved in accelerated form. I was not with the company when it started, but lucky enough, I just joined at the same time. So we
Who
had
makes it? Seagen?
Seagen with Genmab.
Ah.
Seagen with Genmab. So, but anyways, it's not about
Wow.
feedback here. It's about Malika now, and you're going to learn a lot of things from Malika. I really wanted to, I kind of miss you guys because Argus is Akanksha's, area of expertise. She teaches very well, and she teaches a lot of folks in IQVIA, and her hiring manager actually has a lot of good words about her. So I just let her do her thing. But I'll be back probably by the end of in 2 weeks. I'll be back with modules, with other modules after Argus. So we'll continue, what you guys have to complete. But that being said, I wanted to introduce Malika. Actually, give her all the time. So Malika, I kind of spoke to her husband before she got started. I spoke to her. She has, I let her introduce herself, but the reason why I wanted to bring her up is recently we had a lot of job placements, and you're going to have this kind of call pretty much every class. I want to take this opportunity of putting 15 minutes at the end of it, because I don't think we need more motivation than looking at folks who are in the course, who were in the course probably June, July, August, and they are now placed. I think that itself should be a testimonial for what we are doing, and also a point of motivation if anyone needs it. So that's what I want to do. We placed in the month of September and the first week of October, 27 people. So
Wow.
you will run out of time by the time you go over this 27 people. So just get used to this last 15 minutes every Tuesday and Thursday. I have a timetable for folks like Malika to come on the call to help you understand what is the scope of this course. And it's not, I don't think we need to promote this course any further to you. You guys already know what we do, what kind of value we add in this course. But what it is you need to see yourself in their shoes, because that's why this program is built. But only one objective is to have a career in pharmacovigilance, and that starts with getting a job. No big deal. So you can also do it. So that being said, Malika, all yours. Just to keep within the time, I want Malika to talk about, introduce herself, educational background, what was her story before coming to MediPharm Solutions, what happened during the course, what helped her, how was the marketing done, how did she approach the interview, what were the interview process. So I really think I want you guys to give her the time, at least 10 minutes or 5-10 minutes, whatever she wants to convey. And then the last 5 minutes will open for questions, and I'll also provide you her email. So just in case we run out of time after 15 minutes, you can drop questions to her email, and she gladly accepted to answer those questions. So that being said, Malika, all yours.
Hi, my background is like pharmacy. I'm from, I graduated from India. I'm here for past 10 years. I was doing the technician and I was trying to do my licensing meanwhile. Afterwards, because of the kids and all the visa issues and all, I left that. Then recently I came to know from one of my friend about MediPharm. I joined this course in May. After that, because with the help of the modules that Abhishek, Kanksha, and Deepthi taught, so I usually follow all the modules, and again I watch the videos every day most of the times. And afterwards we started marketing. They started marketing on September, August, end of the August or September first week. Abhishek and Akanksha helped me a lot with the resumes and also with how to deal with the recruiters and all. So with Akanksha helped me a lot with the how to answer the questions and all. So with that, I applied online and also through MediPharm Solutions. They did the marketing very well. By the end of the September, I got placed. As Abhishek used to push me like, your first interview should be your last interview all the time. That happened to me by God's grace and with the help of Abhishek, and Deepti's modules helped me a lot too. So that was my story. I got placed as a drug safety specialist, and my start date is going to be next week. So because of that, I'm not going to disclose anything about the job and all.
I get it. So is it remote?
Yeah, it is a remote position. And with the other job, I have a full-time job. With all the other consequences, I able to manage as Abhishek advised me to do. Oh, in the morning, I applied for the jobs. I went to the work. And meanwhile, at the lunchtime, I used to answer the calls and set up an interviews and all. So I somehow I managed, and I got placed.
Is it permanent position or temporary?
It's a consultant.
So it's temporary.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
How was your interview process?
The interview process is like, first of all, the recruiter will call you to set up an interview. After that, depending upon your answers and all, they will set up an interview with the hiring manager. Depending upon the company, you have how many rounds you have, they will decide.
Mhm.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Malika. Can you please share your interview, how many rounds and what kind of if not questions, but the process, if you can share with us?
They have some behavioral questions. They have some, depending on the interview, how you said. For me, as Abhishek usually said, that if you explain your current role very well, they don't dig it more. Like that, it happened to me that they asked me the behavioral questions and the current role. I explained it very well. What he explained and Akanksha explained to me in the modules. So I followed that and it went well.
So Malika, congratulations. And
Thank you.
you said that this is your first one, right?
Yeah.
Or do you have any other interviews? Or
No, this is the only one.
okay. And what is your location?
I live in New York.
Okay.
Oh. So have you started, and how do you find your first week compared to pharmacy?
I didn't even start it yet. Maybe
Oh,
next
okay.
week, coming soon.
Mhm. So do you work 40 hours? Is it full-time or part-time?
It's like 8 hours, like Monday to Friday.
Okay.
Can you share some interview questions?
That's what I told, like current role. Then what is your, sorry, it's been a long time. Let me remind. What is your difficult situation in your work? And also some other questions like, how do you deal with people? Do you have any leading experience or mentoring experience? Do you have any client interactions? Those kind of questions.
Thank you. Congratulations,
tell-
Malika.
Oops. Hello?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
So can you give an example of how you answered some of the questions? I mean, are you able to do that?
That will take a long time. If you follow all the modules and in the marketing calls, Abhishek will explain you better than me.
I see. Thank you.
Congratulations, Malika.
Yep, thank you.
I just want to know one thing. How many rounds of interview you faced for this particular job?
Just only one round for me.
Is only the recruiter call?
No, the recruiter call is the screening call. Afterwards, one with the hiring manager.
Okay. Good luck, Malika.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Malik.
Thank you.
So is it a Zoom call or is it like for a telephonic interview only?
It's a Teams meeting.
Okay.
So Malika, how important do you think the narrative writing is for any PV job? Like,
Yeah, some of the interviews will have the narrative writing session, and also like sometimes you might have 4 hours interview too.
Congratulations, Malika. So how long was your interview? And you said it was just one round, right? So how long was it? And were you given a task of narrative writing as well? And if so, how
No.
long did it take?
No, it's like 30 to 40 minutes interview for me.
Oh, it's quick.
At the end of the interview, did they tell you if you got the job, or did they call you later on?
They will call you later on.
Okay.
Most probably they will call you later on or email you.
How soon, oh, they email you, how soon later on? Within 24 hours, would you say, or 48 hours?
I got within 24 hours, but depends on the how you answer the questions.
Yeah, so I'm asking, when they call you that you have the job, from the time that you did the interview, is